Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Lincoln Nautilus. First, ensure your vehicle is locked and the transmission is in park. There are two primary methods for remote starting, using your key fob or the Lincoln Way mobile application. Both options offer great convenience, allowing you to prepare your vehicle's cabin temperature before you even step inside. Let's explore the key fob method first, which is quick and easy for short distances. To use your key fob, first ensure your vehicle is locked. Press the lock button once. Then, within 3 seconds, press the remote start button on your fob 2 times. The exterior lamps will flash and the engine will start. Your vehicle will run for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, the key fob method works best when you are within a reasonable distance, typically up to several hundred feet from your Nautilus. For extended range and more control, the Lincoln Way app is an excellent choice. Open the app on your smartphone and log in. From your vehicle dashboard, simply tap the remote start icon. You will then confirm the command, and your Nautilus will start. The app also allows you to see your fuel level and tire pressure, offering greater convenience from virtually any distance where you have cellular service. When your Nautilus remote starts, the climate control system will automatically adjust to your last settings, ensuring a comfortable cabin. You can also extend the runtime for another 10 to 15 minutes by repeating the remote start process. For safety, if any door is opened without the smart key present, the engine will shut down. This feature helps maintain security and prevents unauthorized access to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.